This video is the third part of Basic English for Beginners. If you want to see first two parts, you will find the link in the description box. In this video you will know about the rules for writing a sentence and the kinds of sentences. Welcome to my channel. My name is Musfirah. If you want to learn English from beginning in a simple way, then make sure to watch this video until the end. Let's get started. Rules for writing a sentence. First, every sentence should be started with capital letter example. Musfirah is intelligent. Second, every sentence should be end with full stop. Example: Musfirah is brave and intelligent. Third, each interrogative sentence must have a question mark symbol at the end. Example: what is your name? Fourth, if the sentence is exclamatory, then exclamatory symbol should be present at the end. Example: we have one. Fifth, if the sentence contains any proper noun, then its first letter should be capital. Example: Taj Mahal is the beautiful building. 6. If sentence contains I alone, it also should be in capital letter. Example: Musfirah is wiser than I. Kinds of sentences. Basic kinds of sentences are 5. 1. Assertive sentences. An assertive sentence is a sentence that states a fact. Such sentences are simple statements. They state, assert, or declare something. They are also called declarative sentences. Assertive sentences usually end with a period or full stop. It may be positive or negative. Example: in her spare time, she enjoys writing about the facts of life. 2. Interrogative sentences. In these sentences, question is asked about any matter. Example: do you go to school? 3. Imperative sentences. Sentences that issue a command, make a request, or give instructions. Example: stop crying, stand up. 4. Exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence is usually an exclamation of joy, a command given with emotion. Example: how beautiful this flower is. 5. Optative sentences. The optative sentence expresses the wishes, prayers, or desires, etc. Example: may you live long. Must write one sentence about each kind in the comment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more easy English lessons, and comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next.